Welcome to our YouTube channel. Effective communication is key to personal and professional success. And one of the most powerful tools you can use to enhance your communication skills is a dictionary. Let's explore how using a dictionary can help you become a better communicator. First, let's understand the importance of vocabulary in communication. A rich and precise vocabulary allows you to express your thoughts clearly and accurately. Research published in the Journal of Verbal Learning and Verbal Behavior shows that a strong vocabulary is linked to better reading comprehension and overall communication skills. By using a dictionary regularly, you can expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to articulate ideas. One of the primary benefits of using a dictionary is learning new words. Make it a habit to look up unfamiliar words you encounter in reading or conversation. For example, if you come across the word ubiquitous, look it up in the dictionary to understand its meaning and usage. Over time, this practice will increase your word bank and make your communication more effective. Another way to use a dictionary is to explore synonyms and antonyms. This helps you find the right word for any situation and avoids repetition. For instance, instead of repeatedly using the word happy, you can use synonyms like joyful, elated, or content. A study from the Journal of Memory and Language found that using very vocabulary enhances both spoken and written communication. Understanding antonyms also helps clarify the meaning of words by learning their opposites. Pronunciation is another critical aspect of communication. A dictionary can help you learn the correct pronunciation of words, especially those that are new or challenging. Most dictionaries provide phonetic transcriptions and audio pronunciations. Practicing the correct pronunciation will boost your confidence and ensure that your spoken communication is clear and accurate. Understanding word origins or etymology can also enhance your communication skills. Many dictionaries provide information about the origins of words, which can give you insights into their meanings and how they have evolved. For example, knowing that the word enthusiasm comes from the Greek word entheos, meaning possessed by a god, can deepen your understanding and usage of the word. Using a dictionary to improve spelling is another valuable practice. Correct spelling is essential for written communication. If you're unsure about how to spell a word, look it up in the dictionary. Consistent practice will help you remember the correct spelling and avoid common mistakes. A study in the Journal of Educational Psychology found that good spelling skills are associated with better writing quality and overall communication effectiveness. Another practical tip is to use a dictionary to learn word usage and grammar. Many dictionaries provide example sentences that show how words are used in context. This can help you understand the nuances of word meanings and improve your sentence structure. For instance, the word effect is often confused with effect. But by looking up both words and studying examples, you can learn their correct usage. Incorporating dictionary use in daily routine is easy and effective. Set aside a few minutes each day to learn new words, review synonyms, antonyms, and practice pronunciation. You can also use dictionary apps on your phone for quick reference and learning on the go. Consistent practice will significantly improve your vocabulary and communication skills. Engaging in word games and activities that involve dictionary use can also be beneficial. Games like Scrabble, crossword puzzles, and word searches not only make learning fun, but also reinforce your vocabulary and spelling skills. These activities challenge your brain and enhance your ability to recall and use words effectively. In summary, using a dictionary regularly can greatly improve your communication skills. By expanding your vocabulary, understanding word origins, practicing correct pronunciation, and learning proper usage and spelling, you can become a more effective, confident communicator. Remember, communication is a skill that can always be improved, and a dictionary is an invaluable tool in this journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your communication skills. See you in the next video.